The figure is made up of a square of perimeter 28 and a semicircle. Find the perimeter of the figure. Okay, so they said the figure is made up of a square of perimeter 28. Since for a square all the length are equal, to find the side, right, we just take 28 divided by 4. 28 divided by 4, what will they get us? This will get us 7. Okay, sorry, brain is a little bit slow today. Okay, so this will be 7. So they're looking for the perimeter of the figure. You have to find the circumference of this semicircle. If you can remember, circumference of semicircle, it will be half pi d. Okay, so we take half multiplied by pi, given to be 22/7, multiplied by the diameter, which is 7, so 7/1. So it will be 11. If you throw this in the calculator, this will be 11. Okay, so this entire thing will be 11. So when I add up to find the perimeter, do not add this 7 up, because this 7 is not part of the perimeter. This 7 is merely to show you that this square exists, that's all. So do not add this up. So it will be 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 11. So it's 3 times 7 plus 11, giving us 21 plus 11. So therefore, we'll be getting 32. So answer will be option 1. So remember, for parents who are watching this, remind your child about this formula. A lot of kids, they will just learn all kinds of formula and then forget all about it. If you are teaching them variation, right, so it's either half times pi times d or half times pi times 2r. Both will be the same because your diameter is equal to 2r. It's exactly the same. Okay, done.